Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ifrahatul Fuadati. I'm from Biology Department. Here, I will present about material of scientific thinking methods in philosophy of science. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, thinking is using reason to consider and decide something, considering in the memory. Meanwhile, scientific is scientific in nature. Scientifically, it meets the requirements or rules of science. These two words have different meanings and concepts. However, if the two words are arranged into a vocabulary, it will create a new concept. Scientific thinking is a systematic, logical, and empirical way of thinking to obtain correct knowledge so that clear and countable knowledge can be obtained. Various types of scientific thinking methods include inductive, deductive, synthesis, and analysis. The first is inductive. Inductive logic process knowledge based on specific facts obtained from sensory knowledge or acquired knowledge obtained through observation. The induction path takes a middle path that is only one piece of evidence has been examined but can be counted one by one. Inductive logic like this is carried out in statistical analysis, which use quantitative data as a basis for drawing conclusion, and in qualitative data analysis, which use data that is verbal. And the second type is deductive. Deduction is a way of thinking where from general statements specific conclusions are drawn. Drawing conclusion deductively usually uses a thinking pattern called syllogismus. The syllogism is composed of two statements and a conclusion. And the third type is analytic. Analytical philosophy is a theory based on the formulation of logic and analysis, which is fundamental to everyday language and relates to material objects in the form of language. Wittgenstein's philosophy is divided into two periods, namely the first period entitled Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus, which is essentially about picture theory and tackles the logic of language. According to Wittgenstein, the essence of language is a logical description of the empirical world, which is composed of propositions and describes the existence of an event or state of affairs. Wittgenstein's second period of philosophy of philosophical investigation, which is contains about language games. And the last type is synthetic. Synthetic philosophy, or commonly called Hegel's philosophy, is a philosophical concept put forward by a philosopher named Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, who came from Stuttgart. Hegel was a modern thinker who had a big influence on his time. The concept of his talks have become the source of radical thought today, both left and right. Here is an unrivaled thinking expert with an original way of thinking. From the presentation that has been made, the conclusion that can be drawn is that scientific thinking method is a way of thinking systematically and logically so that it can produce clear and logical knowledge. And there are four types of scientific thinking methods are inductive, deductive, analysis, and synthetic. I think enough from me. I apologize for all the mistakes. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.